Hi, my name is Dean Paul Denniston, and today we'll be assembling the Razor Pocket Mod. This is an easy process. It should take you approximately 15 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tools, which are included: a Phillips screwdriver, a 6mm Allen wrench, and a 16mm open-end wrench. This process can be completed in 3 easy steps. Step 1, attaching the handlebar. Step 2, attaching the front wheel. And step 3, inflating the tires. Now let's get rid of this box and get started on step 1, attaching the handlebar. The Pocket Mod is packaged with the fork backwards in the box. Make sure you turn it around, otherwise the handlebar won't fit. You know it's the correct direction when it's sitting at an angle. The handlebar comes with a groove in the front of it to tell you which way goes forward. Hold the bolt on the top down while you slide the handlebar into the fork. Once it's all the way down, using your 6mm Allen wrench, tighten the bolt on the top of the handlebar. And that concludes step 1, attaching the handlebar. Now on to step 2, attaching the front wheel. Before we attach the front wheel, we have to attach the front fender. With the tab in the back, place it into position. Now using your Phillips screwdriver, attach the screw to secure the fender. Now that we have the screw secured, let's attach the front wheel. Take the nuts and washers off both sides of the wheel. Now place the wheel into the fork. And put up the kickstand so it doesn't roll around. Now insert the tab on the lock washer into the hole on the fork, followed by the other washer, followed by the nut. And do the same for the other side. Tab on the lock washer into the hole on the fork, followed by the regular washer, followed by the nut. Now using your 16mm open-end wrench, tighten both nuts. And that concludes step 2, attaching the front wheel. Now on to step 3, inflating the tires. I'll be using an electric pump, but you can use a manual one if that's all you have. Start by removing the dust cover, and then attach the pump. Now inflate to 40 psi. Remove the pump, and reattach the dust cover. Now let's do the same for the rear wheel. Remove the dust cover, attach the pump, and inflate to 40 psi. Now remove the pump and reattach the dust cover. And that concludes step 3 and the process of assembling our Razor Pocket Mod. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, but if you still have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to contact customer support on Razor.com. Now get out there, have some fun, and don't forget to wear a helmet. Bye-bye.